Hello people, welcome back again to another video. Today we're gonna be touching on the customization of your Windows 11, and as you can see, I'm running on Windows 11 Pro, and this is how my desktop's interface look. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add different extensions and customize the look of your desktop representation. So without further ado, you'll have to go ahead and install the extension WinHack. And as you can see here, this application comes with a ton of extensions which you can experiment with. As of for me, I've installed different extensions here. The one for the top-up bar, taskbar at the top. So as you can see here, you can also be able to adjust the height of your taskbar through these extensions here. You can see here, height. You can adjust here your height, your icons, and the gap between the icons here. Then here the settings, you'll go to these settings sections, then you'll adjust the figures over here. And going ahead, you can see we have a clock customization feature here, whereby you'll happen to see that your clock happens to be at the far right with the briefings. News briefings that usually appear at the top of here, at the bottom of the time. Then this is only one option, but you can also customize your date and formats over here. As you can see, you can also adjust the width. So although these they come with the precautions here, you should be only on Windows 10, because if you happen to be on Windows 11, you might happen to see there's some of the changes that you're likely to make, they won't be able to appear because of the issues with the target versions. So then again, you can see we have the taskbar styler over here. You can style your taskbar in different ways. You can add earlier versions of Windows XP. You also have others which are unique, like the Mac thing here. You can see, but this more of likely to appear to have a different categories. But you can also go to Lucent. There's also clear state. There's also the Vista type over here. As for me, I usually like the way my taskbar, the way it is white or dark when I'm actually in dark mode. So you have a different choice there you can choose from. Then there's another thing here. You can see this extension actually allows you to, it actually recomputes the folder sizes, because sometimes issues with the file explorer, it may not have happened to actually depict the correct folder sizes because of compression issues sometimes. So this will help you with that. But actually this goes hand in hand with an application, because I'm using two file explorer applications here. There's this one, native one, then there's this one, file explorer preview here. So you can actually go ahead on the Microsoft Store and install this if you like to track around a bit with this extension. So as you can see here, guys, is that we have a ton of extensions here you can actually experiment with. As you can see, this one here is allow your taskbar to be on the vertical side, just like on Windows 10. Huh? And there are many of these. There are many of these skills. Some they're usually only for particular applications. Some are actually for behaviors. Some they're here for animations, like sliding windows, like you add fluidity to your file explorer windows, so you'll actually see them over here. And also there are some actually for the gamers, usually here at the bottom. So as you can see, each and every extension has its own ratings and the amount of users that are actually using it. So if you're somebody who like to add customization to your applications, then this is the go tool. It is known as WinHack. You can download it straight from the Googles, or you can go to their website and install it. So that's it for this video. If you like our content, you like to be part of us, we request you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification, because we will be adding more